Hi guys. So if you remember that a couple of years ago we made this terrarium for our spider and tarantula, and back then it was so hard for us to grow the plants. And now they're growing very well. Look at this. If you can see the root, it's stick already to this one and this area. Look at that. The root is getting inside the soil and it's really beautiful. We actually never thought that it's gonna be, growing this nice. But unfortunately, we don't have any tarantula anymore.